The easiest way to invest in stocks isn't picking individual companies, it's buying the entire market. One simple strategy is investing in ETFs like VOO or SPYM. These funds track the S&P 500, meaning you instantly own pieces of about 500 of the biggest companies in America. With one purchase, you're diversified across tech, healthcare, finance, and more. No stock picking required. VOO is popular because of its ultra-low fees, making it ideal for long-term investors. SPYM is very similar, but often has an even lower expense ratio while still tracking the same index. The idea is simple: buy consistently, hold long-term, and let the market grow over time. Instead of trying to beat the market, you become the market. And historically, that's been one of the easiest paths to building wealth.